This video will show you how to find sources about specific books, chapters, or verses in the Atla Religion database. The easiest and most unreliable way is to complete a basic search of a chapter and a verse. Let's start by typing Matthew 5 into the search bar. You'll see that the database returned over 1,000 results. You can narrow the result using the filters at the top of the page, but you'll probably notice that not all these articles are about Matthew 5. That is because the database searched every instance of the word Matthew and the number 5. Let's scroll down till I find an article about Matthew 5. If you scroll down on the record page, you will see a scripture citation. One of the ways the Atla database indexes sources is by scripture citation, which means that the sources are findable by the scriptures they reference. You can click on the scripture citation to browse like articles with the same scripture citation indexed. You can also search by scripture citation on the advanced search page. Start by scrolling past the search boxes and clicking on the subjects heading. Make sure to change the drop-down to Atla Scripture Search. You can browse the books of the Bible, or you can search for any book in the search bar. You can search by a book of the Bible by clicking this check mark and clicking Add to Search. This will return any article with your selected book in the Bible Scripture Index. This is useful for broad searches. You can also narrow your searches further by clicking on the plus sign next to the book. You will see you can search by chapter, or you can press the plus sign next to the chapter to look by verse. You can add one verse to your search, or you can click on multiple verses to add them to your search. To add them to your search, you want to click on Add to Search. Before you do, you'll notice you can join terms using AND or. As a reminder, AND searches all of the search terms and only returns the result if all terms are present. OR searches for all the search terms only return the result if one search term is present. I recommend combining verses together with OR unless you're searching for a well-known section of scripture, like this is the Beatitudes. I'm going to combine these with OR. You'll see it populates in the search bar up here, and all I gotta do is press search. You will see that it gives you results, and each one of these articles has the scripture citation that includes my selected area.